Good morning, class 2. I hope you all are doing good. Now, before we start our today's class, I want to remind you all that your half yearlies are coming very soon. And before that, you have your oral test starting from 22nd of September. For that, I have already shared the syllabus and schedule in your class group. So kindly go through that very carefully. Now, our today's topic for revision is alphabetical order. Before we start our topic, before we start discussing it, I hope you all have memorized all the alphabet, right? We all know what are alphabet: A, B, C, D, and all these alphabet are arranged in a specific order. For example, first we have A, then we have B, then we have C, D, E, like that, right? So all these alphabet are arranged in a proper order. We cannot write B before A, B, A, C, D, not like that. They have a specific order, okay, assigned, and that specific order A, B, C, D, E is called our alphabetical order. Okay, so the alphabets which are arranged in a proper order in a sequence, that order is called alphabetical order. Now you may have come across in lots of things where we use alphabetical order. For example, in my attendance register or in your nominal list which I have shared with you, you know that all the names of the students have been arranged in alphabetical order. Or if you must have seen dictionary, in dictionary as well you have your alphabetical order, right? The words are arranged in alphabetical order. So we use alphabetical order in lots of things like this, okay? But how do we arrange our words in alphabetical order? That's our question for today. So for arranging the words in alphabetical order, you will be given some group of words, okay? Bird, tree, flower, leaf, like that. 4 or 5 words will be given to you. And what you have to do? You have to look at the first letter of each and every word. First letter of each and every word, first alphabet, okay? And after you are done observing the first alphabet of these words, what you will do? You will arrange the words in alphabetical order by observing the first alphabet of that word, okay? So yes, for example, if we have words apple and if we have a word tree, okay, so we'll look at the first letter of apple, that is A, and for tree it is T. So in alphabet, A comes first. Yeah, right. A comes first in comparison to T in alphabet. So we will put apple on the first position, then we will write tree. So like this, you are going to solve some questions for today, and you all are going to write down today's exercise in your English notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. And after completing your work, click the pictures of your homework and send it in the homework group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. So I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to revise our alphabetical order topic, okay? And we have some exercises based on this topic. Now we'll look at the questions one by one. Question number 1 says, arrange the following set of words in alphabetical order. So you have been given some group of words, right? Now what you have to do, you have to observe these words, and specifically you will look at the first alphabet of these words, okay? For example, the first alphabet of red is R, first alphabet of purple is P, first alphabet of brown is B, and first alphabet of green is G. Now what you will do, you will see, you all know alphabet, right? A to Z. Now you will see in alphabet which particular alphabet comes first and then which comes next to it, okay? So like this, you will arrange these words according to alphabetical order by observing the first alphabet of each and every word. So as you can see, brown has been written on first position because B comes first in alphabet in comparison to G, P and R, okay? Then after B we will write green, okay, because G comes in alphabet after B, then we will write P, and lastly we will write R. Okay, so for solving these questions, you need to memorize first all the alphabet, okay, in a proper order. Then you need to observe the first alphabet of these words, okay, and then you arrange these words according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so you have some exercises to practice. What you will do first, you will solve these questions on your own, then you can come and see your progress by checking the answers in the worksheet. Now question number 2 says you have been given some pictures. You have to draw these objects. You have to draw these objects in your English notebook. You have to color them. You have to write their names. Okay, first one is tree, then we have ball, and then we have apple. And after writing down their names, you are going to arrange them in alphabetical order, for which I have already told you. You will observe the first alphabet of these words, and then you will arrange these words in an alphabetical order. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.